So for this problem, to write the summation notation for this given series, so in the summation notation, the lower limit n equals 1. Then for the upper limit, since there are 6 terms, so therefore the upper limit is equal to 6. Then for the formula for this summation notation, since the given series is a geometric series, so we need to find the common ratio by dividing the second term. So we have 12 divided by the first term. So 12 divided by 4, this one is positive 3. Then using now this formula for the geometric sequence, that a sub 1 times r to the power n minus 1. Then substitute now the values. So for a sub 1, this is equal to 4. Then for the common ratio, that's 3. Then to the power n minus 1. So this is now the formula for the summation notation for this given series. Then to check the answer, so from this equation, so we have 4 times 3 to the power n, so n starts from 1, then minus 1, then plus for the second term. So n now becomes 2 for the second term, then minus 1. Then for the third term, so this n becomes 3, then minus 1. Then to simplify, so this is 4 to the power 3, this one is 0. Then plus 4 times 3 to the power 1, and plus 4 times 3 to the power 2. So this is equal to 1, so 4 times 1 is 4. Then 4 times 3, this one is 12. 3 squared is 9 times 4, this one is 36. So therefore, this is now the summation notation for the given series. Then for this given, so again in the summation notation, the lower limit n equals 1. Then for the upper limit, that's the number of terms. Since there are 5 terms, so the upper limit is 5. Then again, for the formulas, since this one is a geometric series, so we need to find the common ratio. So this is negative 8 divided by 2. So the common ratio is negative 4. So we have 2 times negative 4, that's negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 4, that's positive 32. And positive 32 times negative 4, that's negative 128. Then for the formula for this summation notation, so a sub n equals a sub 1 times r to the power n minus 1. Then a sub 1, so the first term is 2. Then the common ratio is negative 4, then to the power n minus 1. So this is now the formula for this summation notation.